In Hinduism, so many misconceptions about Ramayana, about Rama. But after the untold story of Sita, we understood about character of Rama. So please tell about Rama.
What can I say about Ram? Ram is the love that permeates the universe. Often say that in our collective memory, the story remains, right? The general external events of what took place, but the internal events of why has gotten lost. Because from Treta Yuga, we went through the declining Dwapara Yuga into the Kali Yuga. Now we've come out of the Kali Yuga into the beginning of the Dwapara Yuga. It's time to reclaim the story. So there is in the collective memory Sita's retreat into the forest. Why? People couldn't explain why. Why? Oh, Ram must have banished her. Yes, he banished her because she had been away. That was a Kali Yuga mindset. This story was not written down because there was no need for writing in the Treta Yuga. In the Treta Yuga, it was held in the memory. But in the declining ages, when people sort of lost the understanding of the deeper meaning, things got written down, but the essence got lost. I mean, the essence, you read any version of the Ramayana, you do get an essence of Ram and Sita, but a lot of the details got misunderstood. So the why of why Sita retreated to the forest got lost. So I try to reclaim that. I mean, this is a beautiful part of the story in my mind, that this curse of Rishi Bhrigu took place eons ago, that he would curse Narayan when he was in human form, because in his Narayan form, there's no separation. But in human form, there's a veil of illusion, there is a sense of separation, that Narayan would know separation from his consort. Both Narayan and Narayani accepted this because a curse once given can't be withdrawn. It can be weakened, as Sage Brigu's wife weakened it. So it would be a partial separation. But when this awareness came to Sita as she was pregnant, that the time was now for this curse to be enacted, they undertook that with compassion for Rishi Bhrigu, because he could not be liberated until he was free of this curse he had issued. And that's why Sita was so adamant about getting rid of these curses, because the one who curses is also in bondage. The one who curses takes on some karma as well. And so she wanted to free the rishis from this. In order to do that, you had to set up a justice system, which one of the things that Ram did was to set up a justice system so it wouldn't be on the shoulders, because the Rishi Bhrigu was very emotional when he saw that his wife had left her body, she had died. That's why he issued the curse. Bhrigu goes into meditation. And then Sita continues to look and see when the time has come that he's freed himself from the last vestige of emotional reaction, of anger, of human emotion. And once he has freed him, she won't leave her body until she knows that he is free from that. Because part of what they'd come to do is to free him so that he can have final liberation, moksha. And when that moment comes, she knows that it's over. The work is done.